Alright. As long as there's no wind. Oh man. Finally. We were eating breakfast this morning. I'm only eating with a 2-pronged fork because the other 2 prongs broke off at some point in this fork's life. But that's okay. I only need 2 prongs on a fork to get by. You missed me cooking. It's an adventure cooking here. I did use the Coleman stove. I did not stop the fire this morning to try and do that. That just did not seem fun. But it didn't rain last night, so weather's looking beautiful. Breakfast is really good. Alex has some coffee. I got some tea. Some very tasty tea. I made toast, eggs, and bacon. And the plan here is to get started. I don't know what time it is. Probably within half an hour. Be on the road for the Merry Falls, which is right around the corner. So it's exciting. Camera's about to die, so I need to recharge the battery soon. And yeah, maybe I'll charge the battery and I'll show you taking us down our campsite too. Good morning. Happy Sunday. Well, we got some visitors on the road. Some big, slow visitors. Alex wants to see elk, but we got deer at least. That was cool. Right, Alex?
Yeah.
We're still looking for the falls. And
Turn left.
Oh, chill. Yeah, the robot's still trying to direct us. All right, we'll find the falls soon, folks. So we just arrived, and there's tons more wildlife. The Jay's hiding out under that car. There's some mallards walking toward me though. Cool. Like legitimately walking straight towards me right now. I don't have any bread for you guys. This is unusual. Alright. I know, right? No water bottle, you think though? Alright, we're gonna go find the falls, everybody. We found the trail. No pets, vehicles, or weapons. I guess I better put these guns away then. Not even a laugh from her. Oh man, that's sad. A groan would have been sufficient. Alright, headed out. Headed out on our trail. There's a beautiful lake over there. I'm guessing the falls probably supply the lake. What's that?
I'm chilly.
She's already cold, but it is a very beautiful day in case you can't tell everyone. Here's our parking lot. There's the ranger station back there. It was closed. It doesn't matter. And there's the Highway 101 right to the side. So I'm already videoing more of this trail because I think we're going to go underneath the road. Oh, cool tunnel. I'll go first. It's creepy. Oh, stubbed the crap out of my toe on a friggin' root. Oh my gosh. Oh.
It's so cold.
Oh my gosh. Oh, my toe. Oh, my dang toe.
That was a big root. I saw it.
In case you haven't seen, everybody else is wearing like pants and jackets and weird shorts and tank tops. Alex is kind of not warm.
Indeed. They look bigger in shorts and a t-shirt.
Oh, some of our kind. Alright, I think I'm gonna shut it off. We're doing some stream crossings. We're on a bridge, in case you can't tell. Bridge. Whee! It's a little bit warmer now. Yeah, the stream goes down that ways. Lots of people hanging out where it's babbling. Trail crooks right. And off we go some more. Whee! A very narrow bridge that we're walking on right now. Single person, single file. No, I did not video it.
Okay.
Now I am. Lots of steps. Stairmaster 5000 mode. There's that creek in case you can't figure it out. The Merrymere Falls. Just wanted to show everyone there's a higher vantage point for us to view from. Crossing the narrow bridge. Cool stream up that way. Whee! Back to the narrow bridge. And I was zoomed way too far in at first, sorry. Oh. Still playing in the water. Right now, we are parked on the side of the road. It's just this weird little set. Oh. I don't know if we can get down. Alright. How do we view that, though? We're looking for a way to view the waterfalls. You can probably hear them, but you can't find any good access to them right now. Huh. I'm not doing that either, but I swear I see a pathway. Oh, hey baby, let's check this out. Yeah, it's not clearly marked at all, so we're just kind of winging it at the moment. It says it's privately owned with public access, so it explains why this trail is probably not very maintained. Luckily, we do not have to go very far, it looks like. Oh yeah, there it is. This one is nice. It's probably the most secluded we've been to so far. The least populous and everything. Woohoo! We found it. I'll show you all what it looks like now. Let me get you in my shot then. It doesn't look like it's cascading over everything right now. It looks like it could cascade over a little bit more if it was a little bit more raging. Oh yeah, there's a little bit more there. Can't really see it very easily with all the trees up in here. Yeah, it's over there. It's a cool little waterfall though, that's for sure. After hiking a little bit further, we found another part of the trail that leads to what looks like another potentially beautiful viewpoint of the waterfall. I'm going to walk into the creek here a little bit. Luckily it's not too slippery if you want to come with. Oh yeah, getting good. Would you like me to hold your hand at all? Nope, she's not coming with. That's okay. She doesn't want to go for the awesome videos that I have. You should come with. We can get a better selfie, I feel like. It's a little cold. Alright. I'm going alone. It's amazing how much of a current there was walking through that little creek. And that's that little side waterfall I wasn't able to see earlier. Yeah, I guess it's not so pretty with the bugs flying around as much, but at least they're over there and not by me. Haha. So this is the creek. That's the part I just waded through. And I think Alex is already on her way back to the car. We have to get ice really bad, so there is that. But I'm gonna try and cross a little bit further, I think maybe. And maybe not. Oh, I see where she's going now. She's going where I was thinking of going. See, there she is. Hey, I'm coming that way. I just noticed that little spot. Woo! Like I said, it's kind of a Russian. Not like, you know, northern, eastern Europe Russian, but flowing Russian. Look at it, it's so cool. Even looks cool. Alright, enough video.
I drove around for hours, I drove around for days, I drove around for months and years and never went no place. We're on a pass, I stopped for gas, but where could place me? To pay for gas to drive around the interstate 8. You go out.
Alright, so now we are at La Push. It's a very crowded parking lot. There's only a little bit of cars behind us because we're walking through it. We got like the literal very last stop. I made it a spot. I made it a spot probably. But we're going to the Strawberry Bay Waterfalls, and it's gonna be a long hike. Excuse me, long hike. We brought lunch with us to have picnic on the beach. And yeah, so to conserve my energy, I'm gonna stop holding this phone and take more videos later as it gets cooler, I guess. Because so far, parking lot is very unexhilarating. So we are getting near the beach. I can hear it, I can smell it. I've been saying I could taste it. We're headed down an incline, and I'll show you all what the beach looks like. So Alex is coming down the bottom of the beach. Bottom of it was all these really rocky logs. But we're at this cool beach, and we're gonna start heading south, looking for the falls. I can already see them. We're just gonna get closer to them. But this is, like I said, this is real ocean. This is Pacific. This is not a bay. It's not a channel. It's the real deal here. Real surf. Really salty. Take it off, Alex. Take it off. Alex is taking off into her tank top. But yeah, I don't know if you can see down there. It's about a half a mile away. That's the waterfalls we're trying to get to. So, some cool rocks over there. And ocean. We're gonna go walk in it, I think. Let's go. Woohoo! Alright, so right now I'm standing on top of a big rock. Gotta jump all the way out here. But I got a really nice vantage of the waterfalls behind me there. Finally. So, yeah, Alex is back behind me there. And I'll show y'all what the waterfall looks like and stuff too. She's gonna take some pictures of me, I think. So right down below me The waves are all crashing. Pretty cool. Here comes one. I'll show you what I mean. Whoa. That's neat. And then yeah, there's the waterfall. It's not very far, maybe like 300 feet or so, but I don't feel like trying to trek out there today. Yeah, it's probably got a cool splash at the bottom. It's just really hard to see. And oh my gosh, every time a wave comes, I'm afraid I'm gonna get swept away off this rock. It's a little perilous. See some friends over there trying to get across. I bet they can make it if they wanted to. I just don't feel like it. But yeah, now I somehow gotta get back off of here and hang out with Alex some more. Yay!
Oh, this is the night. It's a beautiful night, and we call it a bella notte. Look at the skies, they have stars in their eyes on this lovely bella notte. Side by side.
Alright, so what trip would be complete to the coast without going in the very, very not warm water? Oh man, this is definitely your northern coast, everybody. Gotta hike up my shoe. Oh, it gets deep fast. There's a big wave coming. I was hoping to stand on this rock right here, or sit on it, I mean, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that. I don't know if I can even get on it. Oh, it's so... Oh boy, it's deep. Oh my gosh. Ow. Ow. I'm looking at Alex take a picture of me as I take a video. And it is very sharp to stand on this because there's like mussels and clams all over it. Oh God, my feet hurt right now. Totally worth it though. Here comes a wave. Woo! Alright, I'm gonna have to jump down eventually. I'm hoping the tide starts like rolling back my way maybe soon, hopefully. Oh God, here comes another wave. Oh, that one was a bit bigger than I was expecting. Alright. Thankfully, just check my pocket, I don't have the keys. Are we ready? There's no waves coming? Is this pulling out yet? Alright. Alex is laughing at me. I definitely got my shorts pretty wet. I forgot to wear swim trunks. Can you believe that? Went to the ocean and didn't bring my trunks. What a goof. Yeah, those are my rocks I was out on. I'm calling them my rocks from now on. That one, right there. That one was my rock. Really sharp. Ooh-wee. After a long bit of driving, we are now at the Lake Quinault recreation area. As you might be able to tell, it's a little less sunny out. I got a long sleeve on now. And we are looking for the Willoughby Falls. And yeah, it shouldn't be too hard to find because everything's supposed to be super close. And yeah, hopefully we'll find you something too. We got a cool carved wood map here. And I think we're just going to start off to the right and hopefully hit the falls right away. You ready? Mm-hmm. All right. Yay! Looking for the waterfalls.
I'll let you lead.
I will lead. It is. It says to the right, right? Rainforest Nature Trails that way, but I feel like the falls is to the right. Still looking for the waterfalls. We can hear them. We're on a trail that does a loop, and I'm hoping at some point in the circle, hopefully it is a circle too, but at some point in the circle that we get to see the waterfall. So, oh boy. Yep, again, just walking, hiking, doing the huge, and dang, it's far. It's not as close as I was hoping. Really found what I believe would be the Willoughby Falls, but there's this babbling stream that we've been walking alongside for a little while now. It's been making me head to P.2. Still looking, still in search. So we're passing under a bridge right now, on our way to a bridge over there, where I think may be the waterfalls I was looking for originally. I think I just took the wrong turn right at the beginning. I think the map was upside down is the problem, honestly. Don't you, Alex? Yeah, bad maps, dude. Bad maps, not bad guides. Alright. Alright, here's the other bridge I was looking for. And let's just hope there's a waterfall that I was looking for here too. Wouldn't that be cool? Yeah, what do you know? Kind of is. It kind of is. It's way back there. I'm gonna get down low so Alex can see behind me, but if you can see. Lots of pools for it to fall into and stuff, it looks like. Well, we did a lot of searching for this one. A lot of walking, a lot of unnecessary walking. Still pretty cool though. We haven't seen one where it cascades into pools of itself, so that's neat. I'm gonna try and see if I can't get a little closer here maybe. These rocks look really wet. There we go. Am I too much in your shot? That's a good vantage for y'all. Look at that bird flying through. And I'm ruining it talking. Alright, and I'm going to stop recording so I don't slip and die on my way back. Aren't you happy you got to see with me? I'll take a video for you of this giant Douglas fir. It's really big. And it just keeps on going, man. It's pretty freaking huge. Probably doesn't do it justice on the video, though.